morning, boys and girls. Today is Tuesday, April 7th. For sixes this morning, you are going to be focused mainly on poetry. Rhyming poetry, other types of poetry. Sevens, you have a little bit of a combination. You have an A to Z, you have some spelling. You're going to be doing paragraph writing about Gabriela Mistral, who is your biography person for the week. Lots of variety for sevens this morning. And for math, sixes, you are going to be working on tally marks. And sevens, you're going to be working on 2D shapes that include the attributes of sides and vertices, finding out what those two things are. So I hope you have a great morning of learning, and I'll see you on Wednesday. Bye.